Yeah.
If you have extended blade,
I do. Yes, it's from here to there.
We are only asking.
Yes.
If you drop into a bag.
What I'm going to explain to you, as a Sikh, I cannot take it off my body and put it into any bag.
I accept that as well because I live.
Okay.
And some people do take.
Okay.
Not everybody, but some.
Yeah.
But in that case,
Yeah.
we have to notify to the court.
Yes.
And we have to notify our
court manager. That's correct.
senior management.
Yeah.
But you're not going anywhere else until then.
Well, then you do that. That's fine.
You remains here.
That's fine. Yeah. So
Is that okay?
Yeah. So why is he telling me to leave?
I'm not.
Hold on.
Let me go to the senior.
Listen, we need to talk to. Well, he doesn't know what he's talking about. So I'm listening to what you're saying.
Let me talk with the senior management.
You're the senior manager. Yeah. We could talk here. I'd like to talk here.
Oh yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Go for it. Yeah. So.
What is your name?
My name's Riz.
Okay, Riz.
So obviously I understand there's inconsistencies between what's happening within the courts, but currently within this building, Magistrates Court, it is obviously in general a public building.
Okay.
But we're currently operating on a limited capacity.
Okay.
So, firstly, I'd ask, what is your attendance here today?
Okay. So my attendance was because I was meant to be called for him to make sure that he's okay. To calm down.
Okay.
That's why.
So you're his carer.
Yes.
So are you directly involved with him?
No, not directly involved with him. No. I'm there because I know that a schizophrenic can kick off, and if the security don't know how to deal with him, it will make it worse for him.
Did you explain that to the security company?
No, I've explained it to that lady there, and there was also a witness care lady who witnessed what was going on outside. And I said to her, I'm going to go and talk to her. She goes, yeah, that's the best thing to do.
So can I ask you, in terms of like other courthouses, when you
I go to Birmingham Crown Court.
Yeah, but how do they?
Okay, so what they do, I spoke. They told me to wait for the manager. The court manager came down and I explained to her. She said to me, well, what do you do? I said, I'm an investigative journalist. That's my full-time job. When I'm following cases, they said it's fine. I traveled. Look, this is when I was in the same. I went to Birmingham Crown Court with my same Kirpan, and this is what they said. Look, this is in the county court. I've got the same Kirpan there.
Where's that? Up down the bottom.
Court 17, yeah. And then I was in Birmingham Crown Court, Court 5 with the same Kirpan, and they had no issues with it because they know who I am. And I said this to them. This is what I said, because I said that their court policies are indirect discrimination against Sikhs, breaching Equality Act 2010, and I'm taking this through with the Home Office through court anyway, because it shouldn't be like that.
There is a set guideline, but I think it's the length of the thing as well.
But but this is what I'm saying to you. Yeah. Okay, your guidelines are indirect discrimination against Sikhs, so they need to be changed because the guidelines are.
The thing is, right now, so what obviously I wasn't told before in terms of it's the involvement with the case that's more important to me in this instance. Yeah, obviously, if you're saying do you know? Can I ask you the name of the individual?
Nathan Cox is there.
I won't ask him. So.
No, you know who okay, you know who
so that's key for me.
I'll tell you who you can speak to. You know that there was a lady, she was a witness care. She heard everything else, so you can hear that. So I'm just here for that reason now.
Yeah. So all right, let me have a chat with you.
Okay.
So here's where I'm at with this now.
Okay.
So our guideline says obviously anything above 5. I understand what you said, discrimination, stuff like that. Because for me now, security obviously should have dealt with this at the door and called me then.
Yes.
Because you've let in, I'm going to allow you to stay for today.
Okay.
What I am going to do though is review the region.
Okay.
And I'm going to make sure that there's a blanket guideline.
Okay.
What I will also forewarning for the future is you probably won't be allowed in next time.
Okay.
Yeah, based on our current guidelines. But because you are here right now, because it is our guidelines, I understand what you're saying. Okay. So that's up for security now to review and look and make sure that it will be updated. Obviously, if you want to put anything forward,
I do.
If you want any emails or any contacts, I'm happy with that. Okay. Yeah, so then that can be investigated.
Yeah, it does need to because I need to give it to my legal team.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. And then obviously I'll give you our customer services details. But what I will just forewarning for you, obviously I'll allow you to stay for today.
What details?
I'll get a form for you.
Okay,
I'll drop you after. But because that's basically it. We understand obviously the guidelines. Okay. But it's 5 inch and above. So that's what is the policy.
No, but your policy was to also to ask the court manager to make the decision whether somebody can come in or not.
Yeah.
So what would your decision
My
be
decision
for the future? For the future.
For the future is I would stick to the policy that's in place, which is 5 and above.
And what does it say about the 5 or above?
Anything above 5 and above would have to be confiscated.
Confiscated?
Is it confiscated or refused entry?
We'll ask them to remove it and put it into obviously envelope. We won't touch that obviously.
Okay, but a Sikh are not allowed to take it off their body.
Yeah.
So then what happens then?
What does it say?
If you are, basically what I'm not going to lie to you, what I tell everybody in a year, every Sikh that comes into the building in a year,
Okay.
we have loads of Gurdwara cases in the CJC now, basically.
Okay.
Yeah. They've basically come in with basically big ones,
Okay.
maybe talk about a foot and a half even, yeah.
Okay.
I always advise them in a year
Yeah.
to basically bring a smaller one. That's all I can say.
But if they've made an oath, in when you make an oath, it has to be okay. In the Sikh code of conduct, it's meant to be 9 inches. Okay. So how can you tell them to wear a smaller one? I'm explaining this.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, but I'm not here to argue. Then I don't
No,
know you.
I'm not arguing with you. I'm explaining something. So in the Sikh code of conduct, they said it has to be 9 inches.
So
yeah?
we had basically priests and for the Gurdwara,
Okay.
the leaders and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you.
No, but
Depending on what is, they have different guidelines. Is
Okay.
what you're saying. Is that one or is
That's
that
what I'm saying to you,
you're
yeah,
saying?
yeah.
Okay, so I think we're given the contact details. Hopefully, it can get investigated. Potentially, it might have to be reviewed. But
It does have to be reviewed.
Until
It
then,
does have to be
obviously,
reviewed. Because I'll tell you why. Because that is indirect discrimination. Your policies are.
If that is the case, yeah.
No, but that is the case.
That's the thing. If that is the case, and obviously I don't know the policies.
Yeah.
I don't actually deal with the policies. All what we do in a year.
Okay, who deals with the policies?
Guidelines.
Who deals with the policies?
HMCT, and I was obviously.
Okay. Do you have any details for them?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to give you contact details to
Okay,
take
yeah.
this forward. But
Okay.
I have to just let you know now, the
Okay.
standpoint right now, in
Okay.
this current situation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I will be here. I'm coming back on the 17th of March for a case.
Okay.
So what about would it be resolved from there to there? Because I'll be wearing the same Kirpan.
I'm very unlikely. I'm not-
Yeah.
Well, I'm just letting you know that I'm here for a case on the 17th of March, and I will be wearing the same Kirpan, and I'm not going to be taking up.
I'd probably say state that obviously
Okay.
in the email. That way, so if the legal team and everyone. can
Okay
get
then, yeah.
on that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No problem. Yeah. Oil.
Yeah.
See, it's really Kirpan. So it doesn't matter if it's a private building. It's still on British soil. So anywhere. So that's the reason.
Hopefully,
But there's another thing is what you mentioned. Okay, you said this is a public place. Yeah.
It's a public place. Probably up and
No, but I'm going to explain something. So under the Criminal Justice Act 1988, Section 139, says you could have a bladed article on the street used for work purposes, going to for martial arts training, theatre or for religious reasons, or if you just bought it. So the Kirpan, regardless of what size it is for religious reasons.
Yeah.
So that can be anywhere in the UK.
yeah,
Yeah.
in terms of religious,
Anywhere.
it is a different thing.
Okay.